Hey everybody, I'm here with Cindy Texar. She's not only the founder of my Whisk Movement and Whisk Movement blog, but she's a dear friend and I've known her for years. And she's making something fun right now and she's going to tell you a little story about our history together. So first off, what are you making, Cindy?
I'm dipping strawberries in warm chocolate and then rolling some of them in different sprinkles, which are all edible.
That's a perfect job for you, Cindy, because you are very artistic and very good with details. So I kind of had this pegged for you tonight to do. So I think I made a good decision because I can't wait for you to see how beautiful they look. And she's using an induction burner. This is the Monogram induction burner. It's absolutely gorgeous, easy to use, easy to clean. And you have a fun little story that you were telling me on our way here about our history together.
I do. Many years ago. Carol's into cooking Midwest. I'm into cooking New England. And Carol made baked beans with ketchup. And I thought I was going to fall on the floor. We don't put ketchup in baked beans. And we don't put much other else in baked beans. Well, Julia Child comes to be the guest one day. And Miss Carol brings up to Julia that we are having a disagreement about baked beans. And she asked what it was. And she said, well, Julia, Cindy says you don't put ketchup in baked beans. And I say you do. And Julia Child stood there and went, oh, ketchup in baked beans? No, never. So I won the argument.
Bon appetit! I love it. Well, I love you, Cindy. Mwah. And thank you for being here today.
And we knew each other.